All right, guys, today we're doing more Elton John. Someone Saved My Life Tonight. Let's take a listen. All right, hello everyone. I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com. I want to let you know if you follow me, a great place to go now is Instagram. We are Web Piano Teacher on Instagram. When I get 5,000 likes, I'm going to do something very special for all members. So make sure you go over there. I'm going to have stuff on Instagram that's not on YouTube, not on Facebook, not even on the website, okay? So I'm going to do today a performance in my home of this, and we're going to talk specifically about how to put melody in the left hand. When we listen to this, we immediately start off with this very memorable beginning part, and you hear the melodies on the left hand. Normally the melody's in the right hand, right? So you have to handle that differently. There's some things you have to do whenever that happens, and I'm going to help you do that on Instagram. So head over there right now, and the lesson's already up, and you can view it and hear me perform and sing a little bit at home. All right, well, let's get to the part one. All right, so as we look at the board, we have right hand C, E flat, A flat. So we have an A flat chord to start with, okay? I'm going to use fingers 1, 2, 5 for that. All right, on the left hand, I have an E flat octave. All right, okay? Now that's an A flat chord, even though I start with E flat in the bass. Why? Because the left hand's going to be doing a melody, all right? So we'll learn the notes here, what keys to press down, and the rhythms. And then on Instagram, we'll talk some specifics about how to handle and actually carry out that having the melody in the left hand and making it sound right. All right, so we have two chords, 1, 2, as the left hand has this really low E flat octave. Okay, it's the lowest E flat octave on the piano. 1, 2. Now the left hand's going to have some more octaves. E flat, go up to F, then we go up to G, then we go up to A flat. Wait a little bit, little dash there is how I notate that. Back down to G, down to F, down to E flat. Okay, so these little vertical lines I put right there are just telling you to play the chord again. All right, so same chord, we don't change it, and just to simplify, I put those lines there. So we play together here, 1, 2. Now play the chord every time you play a left hand. Kind of stop there in the middle. Bum, 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 bum. All right, so the whole measure is 1, 2. Da, 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 da. Okay. Now on the next chord, on the next measure, we do change chords. We go to a D flat chord. All right, A flat, D flat, F. So same idea. We play two chords and then we keep the chord. Da, 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 da. Okay. The left hand is on a low D flat octave now, and then D flat again, E flat, F, G flat, F, D flat. So the whole measure is 1, 2. Okay, one more time. 1, 2. Okay, now that when you get to that G flat, it's going to sound a little dissonant, and it's supposed to, so don't let that bother you when you're practicing slower and you play that one and go, huh, is that right? All right, after you get that down, then we can time together, okay? So the very beginning, and go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2. All right, so as always, the whole song lessons for this, all the lessons for this will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com. If you are a member, you can download the sheet for this. And just a reminder again to head over to Instagram. Lots of cool stuff on there that you won't get anywhere else. Talk to you guys later.